Today I share with you how to preserve pomo. To be precise, how to preserve white pomo. In Nigeria, we have two types of pomo. We have the white one and we also have brown one, popularly called pomo ijebu. Pomo ijebu has been preserved with fire. So the hair on the pomo was burnt off with fire. That is why it is brown and dried. While white pomo was cleaned with hot water and knife. So that is why it is still in its fresh state. To preserve white momo, the first thing to do is to clean it. Yes, I know the skin has been cleaned with hot water and knife to remove the hair, but you can also see that brown part or that black part. Yes, it has to be taken out. So let me say it. If this is your first time on my channel or you've been a regular visitor on my channel but you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please like this video, leave your comments, share this video, and I would love it if you subscribe to this channel. This is because if you're interested in Nigerian dishes and how to prepare them, then on this channel I have so many Nigerian cooking videos that you will love. Yes, this channel is all about Nigerian cuisine, so you would love it very much. Now that I'm done with washing my pomo, the next thing I will do is to dispose this water. I'm just feeling to see if I have any other pomo in it, but there's none. Now I'll wipe the surface because it's a little bit wet before moving on to the next step, which is I'll pour some oil into my frying pan. I'll allow it to heat up very well before adding the fresh pomo. Yes, frying can be used to preserve food when properly done. I'll be frying this pomo for about 30 minutes. Yes, you heard that right, 30 minutes. So the best time to do this is on a weekend. Yes, when you don't have anything to do or when you are less busy, just do it on the weekend, fry your pomo, and then you can keep it in your pantry, your cupboard, and just, use it whenever you want. I'll be posting another video on how to cook dried pomo. But first, let's finish watching this video, okay? So make sure you watch this video to the end. Here, I'm just trying to ensure that every part and side of the pomo is properly fried and dried because I don't want one part to be dry and the other part fresh. Then that means all my time is, not used properly. Um, mhm. As I said earlier, have you subscribed yet? Please subscribe to this channel, okay? Thank you. Now, after about 10 extra minutes, I fried this pomo for a total of 30 minutes. Now, I'm taking out the dried pomo from the hot oil into my basket. You will notice that the pomo has really reduced in size. Yes, that is necessary. It has reduced in size, but then it will still come back up when you soften it. Now I'm just going to fry all the other pomo that I have. I'm going to keep frying until I finish, frying all the pomo and everything is dried. But then I took out most of that part because I know you don't want this video to be too long. Yes, I know that. Okay. I know I said it twice already, but let me just say it again. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments, share this video, and of course, subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much. I'm taking out the dried pomo again. I'll put it into my basket. Yes, and there you have it. My white pomo is processed properly to be stored for at least 4 to 5 months. Yes, provided water doesn't pour on it, your pomo would be in perfect state. This is what it looks like dried. I'm going to be putting my pomo inside a bowl just to make it look fancy and lovely. Like I'd always say, thank you for your time because I do appreciate your time. I do appreciate that you spend your time to watch my videos. And don't forget, good food should be enjoyed.